Here at Sable Systems International, we are so excited to introduce you to our latest website feature, the System Configurator. The Configurator is a new way to learn about the features and applications of our metabolic and behavioral phenotyping systems. While doing so, you will be able to configure a system that best meets your research needs, whether that be insects, rodents, or large animals. Let's say that today I am a researcher and I'd like to add metabolic phenotyping capability to my lab and to my department. So I'd like to learn the latest system features and capabilities or applications. What do I do? So first things first, I head over to sablesys.com and navigate to the product lines section. Here I find a System Configurator app. Interesting. So this looks like it could be a good way to learn about the systems and even configure my own. I'll give it a shot. And oh wow, so Sable can measure a broad variety of organisms all the way down to insects. My research uses mouse models of disease, and I'm currently testing compounds and would like to know if they affect metabolism and behavior, and if so, how and to what degree. So I'm going to choose the mouse model, then I will choose metabolism and behavior on the next selection page. And so what kind of advanced measurements are these? Let's see, maybe these question marks are going to help. Hovering the mouse over this question mark gives me a description and application. This is helpful because I did not know the system can measure the exhaled carbon-13 isotope of carbon dioxide. That could definitely be useful and maybe much easier than our current method for studying bioenergetics. I'd like that too. When it comes to activity monitoring, I take a broad approach, keeping an eye on overall spontaneous activity. I also want to make sure that the mice have an enrichment device, and I'll select the running wheel for voluntary exercise monitoring. Besides that, our mice love running on running wheels. And ingestive behavior. So yes, measuring food and water consumption is a must-have. I also want to be able to have the option to standardize food intake or do food restriction studies, so I will select the access control door too. This is a pretty diverse set of options, so let's hover over the chamber question mark for more information. While we don't currently study thermogenesis or circadian changes, I can foresee doing so in the future, so I'm going to select the environmental chamber. And done! That was easy, right? We at Sable Systems want to make sure that you have the information you need to make an informed decision. Therefore, you can review your configuration and redo as many times as you like. When you are at the stage when you'd like to move forward, we recommend fine-tuning your configuration by discussing the specifics of your research, goals, and facility requirements with a Sable application scientist or a technical sales representative. To help you prepare for this conversation, we provide this simple guide listing questions to be considered. This includes experiment size, research applications, system facility requirements, etc. So if you are interested in learning more about metabolic measurement systems and how they meet your research needs, please visit sablesys.com and try it out.